Hey everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, giving you a closer look at the Billet Start switch from Tusk. Alright guys, so today we just want to show you a quick, inexpensive way to free up some space on your handlebars. We're out here at this track today with a brand new YZ250F for 2019. And these new bikes nowadays, especially your 4-strokes, they just come with so many switches. You get a lot of cluster on your handlebars. It makes it difficult to find any space, especially if you want to run handguards. So on this bike stock, on the left side, you had your kill switch, you have your map switch, and then over here on the right side, you now have your electric start button. So you got a lot of switches on there, so it gets pretty clustered. So what you can do if you want to free up some space is you take these Billet Start switches from Tusk, and what they do is they actually just bolt right onto either your clutch perch or your front brake master cylinder. You can get them separately if you want to. So what we did on this bike is we actually took the kill switch on the left side, we cut the wire, we took the kill switch off, we mounted this kill start switch, and then we just spliced the wires in and soldered it. So we were able to get rid of that kill switch and just make it part of the clutch perch. And then we did the same thing on the other side. We took the start button, we cut it, spliced it, installed it. So now our start button is just a part of the actual front brake master cylinder. And once we've done that, you can see we got rid of 2 switches, freed up some space on the bars. Now we have more space if we want to run handguards or just to clean it up and have a cleaner look to it. So if you have a bike, you're looking to free up some space, if you want to do that, this is a quick, inexpensive way to do it. If you guys have any questions about these, you can leave your comments below. We'll help get those answered. And to pick one up, it's real simple. Just click on the link at the end of this video. If you guys like this little product spotlight, well, don't hesitate to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that will keep you up to date on the latest product spotlights and gear guides that we're constantly rolling out. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.